Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by mounting the site to the rail and getting it level. Tighten the hardware, then confirm the housing is plumb with a bubble level. This prevents cant errors that throw your group. Once done, set a baseline elevation using the site scale for a 20-yard zero so you have predictable reference points. Make sure the bar is centered and the pins move smoothly. This foundation saves time during tuning and keeps adjustments consistent as you progress. Now focus on aligning the peep, pins, and anchor for a repeatable site picture. With the bow at full draw, look through the peep and center the site housing. If the peep isn't concentric, shift its position rather than the site. Once the peep and housing align, close one eye to place the top pin on target and adjust windage on the site or move your rest until the pin sits dead center. Keep your anchor consistent, same point on the face, so every shot replicates that alignment. Finish by dialing in precise elevation and windage through controlled testing. Shoot small groups at 20 and 40-60 yards, then make small, measured clicks, one click at a time, and record how each change moves impact. Use a chronograph or mark distances to correlate clicks to drop. This explains why the arrow hits where it does. If your groups suddenly walk, recheck hardware torque, peep concentricity, and that your anchor and head position didn't shift. One key troubleshooting tip. If impacts are inconsistent, inspect the peep alignment first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.